Dicer and Drosha. Dicer, which is also called as helicase with RNase motif, is the type of enzyme of RNase 3 family. In humans, it is encoded by a gene and the name of the gene is Dicer1. Dicer cleaves the double-stranded RNA molecule and the pre-microRNA molecules into double-stranded RNA fragments, which are called as small interfering RNA as well as microRNAs. Dicer is able to digest double-stranded RNA molecule into uniformly sized small RNA molecules, which are called as siRNA. Dicer family proteins are ATP-dependent nucleases. RNase 3 enzymes act as dimers. Dicer homologs exist in many organisms, including C. elegans, Drosophila, yeast, and humans. This is the domains of Dicer. Dicer is a ribonuclease, means RNase 3 family. Dicer has 4 distinct domains: helicase, Paz domain, RNase 3 domain, and double-stranded RBD domain. Helicase is amino terminal helicase domain, this one. Dual mean double RNase 3 motif, they are here, 1 and 2. In the carboxy terminal segment, that is these two domains, they are dual RNase 3 motifs. And the third one, double-stranded RNA binding domain, is this one. Here is double-stranded RNA binding domain. And the fourth domain, Paz domain, that consists of 110 up to 130 amino acids. So Dicer is a ribonuclease that consists of 4 different domains. The domains, they are helicase, Paz domain, RNase 3 domain, that are the double domains, and double-stranded RNA binding domain. Drosha is class 2 nuclease 3 enzyme that in human is encoded by a gene and the name of the gene is Drosha. The RNase 3 Drosha is the core nuclease that executes the initiation step of microRNA processing that is usually processed in the nucleus. These are the domains of human Drosha and human Dicer. This is the structure of human Drosha, and these are the domains of human Drosha. Human Drosha consists of approximately 1374 amino acids. While on the other hand, human Dicer, these are the domains of human Dicer enzyme, and the human Dicer, it consists of approximately 1922 amino acids. So these are the two different enzymes which exist in humans, human Drosha and human Dicers. So if we conclude that what are the Dicer and Drosha? Dicer is an enzyme that is part of RNase 3 family, while the Drosha belongs to class 2 ribonuclease 3 enzyme family.